What not to do after closing on an apartment. You've finally closed on your dream apartment. But the journey doesn't end there. Here's what not to overlook next, according to experts at Instant Buy. First up, do a thorough final walkthrough using a checklist to catch any issues. Don't skip this crucial step. Keep all closing paperwork organized. These legal documents will be invaluable for taxes, maintenance, and resale. Update your address promptly with the post office, banks, and service providers to avoid missed mail. Account for immediate expenses like furniture and repairs in your budget. Setting aside 1-3% of the purchase price is recommended. Revise your estate plan to include the new property. Consult a legal advisor to update your will, trust, and power of attorney. Review your home insurance coverage and consider additions like flood, earthquake, or liability if needed. Schedule immediate maintenance on plumbing, electrical, HVAC systems, and appliances to prevent issues. Stay connected to your real estate agent for advice and contractor referrals. They are a valuable long-term partner. Learn about property taxes, homeowner credits, and deductions. Update your tax filing status accordingly. Avoid major finance decisions like investments or credit card splurges. Consider risks and consult advisors. Manage expectations during emotional transition to homeownership. Found this video helpful? Give us a like to let us know and subscribe for more insights on real estate in New York City and Miami. Have any questions or thoughts? Drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you.